So, hi everyone, I'm Rishabh here, your GDSC lead. So, this meet is regarding what is GDSC and what it has to do with our college and how we have integrated GDSC in our college and what is it basically overall view of GDSC. So, to begin with, GDSC is basically a Google Developer Student Club community, which is university based community, and uh, google Google developers stand there, and basically they select some of the leads from every university. Okay, and then the leads should work out to form a community in their own university, so that they can like educate them and work on projects, not only projects, just on practical day-to-day life business projects. Okay, and also to educate everyone. So from GDSC community, which it aims to educate people on the basis of every technology that is possible, from web, IoT, mobile development, Android, Flutter, and everything and anything that is out there. So by joining GDSC, students grow their knowledge. Okay, peer-to-peer learning environment is there, and build solutions for local businesses and their community. So this is an important point here. So GDSC is not like other clubs or communities out there we have. Okay, they are not like we as a GDSC club would work for the benefit of our society as well as for us. Okay, for our whole peers. Okay, so moving on, what is Google Developer Student Club? So this is actually beautifully explained in this video. I will just share my whole screen and audio as well to give out you a video of GDSC. Okay.
Google Developer Student Clubs train hundreds of thousands of university student developers globally while having fun getting to know other students at their school. Google selects students with strong leadership skills from across the globe once a year to start a club on their campus. These leads believe knowledge is power and that technology can do extraordinary things for the world. They take on the responsibility to help students learn and empower each other to solve real problems around them. Students can participate in the annual Solution Challenge by Google developers to solve for one of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Join us in building a global community for students in technology.
So I hope from this video, you would get an idea of what GDSC is and how it progresses out there. So it helps not only to basically empower other students from our own community, but helps other businesses and local businesses and communities, other communities as well, to collaborate and empower others. Okay, so how we aim to do it is, first of all, there are a few roles in GDSC community that we should like know. First of all, is there is lead that Google developers appointed me as lead for IIIT Kottayam. Then there are core team members. Okay, now what are these core team members? There will be 5 core team members for every university. Okay, they would be getting some perks as well after their whole semester, or the whole thing is over. Okay, year is over. Okay, and they would be guiding and leading towards benefiting the whole community out there. Now how would the community would be benefited? Through workshops, through courses, or through like sessions out there, to giving education to all. So we at GDSC would aim to do all of this with the help of core team members involved directly under the lead, and then members of the community. Okay, so you all could be a member of community right now by going to just this link. Whenever, one second, I'll just share my whole screen and then show you the link to participate in this. So whenever you go to this link tree I have created, okay, I'll share this in the chat as well. So you just go to this link tree, and there will be a joint Google DSC core team link. Okay, this is the core DSC team I am talking about, and there will be only 5 students selected from our whole college, rather it be from CSE or ECE or any batch 2019, 2018, or 2017 or 2020. It does not, GDSC does not care about the batches or the courses you have taken. You just should be a very enthusiastic person about technology and should encourage others to and motivate others to do so as well. So there will be a joint DSC core team link here, which would take you to a Google form. Okay, so you just read all the requirements and what we have here for you as well as for others, and then fill out all your details and stuff. And there will be a skill set which you will bring for DSC core team. So there will be social media marketing, designs, strong technical background, computer science, engineering, mathematics, and ECE as well. Anything and everything is accepted here. Then there is public speaking. Okay, so this is a very important thing in GDSC. I'm not saying that this is the only thing, because this social media marketing and design are also the thing, but GDSC empowers everyone to network and communicate with each other to grow a community. So public speaking is a very important skill to have while applying for a GDSC DSC core team. Okay. Then there is sourcing sponsorship, because any event, any and every event that will happen will require a sponsorship. And I'll tell you how the events will be conducted in a while. Then there is managing finances and others responsibility. If you think you are good at something and you will bring something to the GDSC community, you can apply for it here. So this will be the core team members for the GDSC, and which would be 5 from our college. Then there is motivation behind GDSC and your experience with project or a team, and anything and everything you would like to share with us. And this is I would recommend you to search out our Google Developer Student Club page. Okay, I'll share this page as well with you. So this page comprises of everything that you would know about GDSC. Okay, upcoming events. So there are many events that are posted out here by every GDSC out there. May it be GDSC BITS Pilani, or may it be GDSC IIT, NITs, or any IIITs, or any college in India. Okay, they are regularly conducting some of the workshops and sessions out there here. So you all could just check these out once in a while and see if you can, if you like some session, you can attend that by just clicking on that session and then RSVPing it. Okay, here it is RSVP. So you just RSVP it, and then you will just get to know their through email, you will be contacted about that session and the details to join. Okay, so these are the things that are there. And now the important part is we have our GDSC created. So as you can search out IIIT Kottayam here, so you will just go to our page, and this will be the organizing and part. And now all the DSC core team members would be also be listed out here as well. So do like this is also a per kind of thing for you all. Okay, so this is all about the GDSC core team members. Now becoming a member. So any and everyone can become a member who is interested in GDSC. You just have to click here and then go to our GDSC club page, IIIT Kottayam, and join the community. Whenever you join the community, you will be successfully member of you are now a successful member of this chapter. Okay, so this is all about GDSC members and DSC core team members. Now, what about volunteers? Now, every event that we will conduct, we would need some volunteers out there. Okay, so these volunteers we would select up from these forms as well. These core team forms. Who would not get into the core team would be getting into the volunteers section. Okay, and these volunteers would be helpful all over the our events, and would be conducting many more such events with us, and so on. Yeah, so this is all about getting into getting a role in our GDSC community. Okay, of IIIT Kottayam. Now moving on, what are the benefits of GDSC core team members or GDSC as a whole? So they provide a beautiful platform for us to have events first of all, and conduct events in a fruitful manner, basically a guided manner. Okay, you can have sponsors in that particular section as well, and you can mail out to them as well. So I'll just give you a glance of what it is. So you would see a little dashboard over here upside me. Okay, so this is only for GDSC leads and for core team members. So this dashboard would be available for like core team members. And then there is like this. See, dashboard is there, and then there will be upcoming events and search. Okay, this I have shown you. And then yeah, so these are the things that are there in the GDSC there. Okay, whenever I go to the dashboard. So we can conduct an event here. Okay, all the events would be here as well. Now we can schedule an email to all the members of the community, all the event participants of the community. We can check out all the members that who have just like enrolled with us. And then there will be some sponsors settings. We can have active sponsors, gold sponsors, and other things here uploaded. Okay, and this all events would be listed on our GDSC club page, which is one second. Which is here. Okay, here upcoming events is there, but there is no events as of now. And we will conduct events from September onwards, like from the September first week onward. So here all the events would appear, and then those events would be like you can RSVP to the events as like, and then you would like see the speakers and sponsors and everything like that. Now the other thing that GDSC provides us is a this Bevy Virtual. Okay. Now, what is Bevy Virtual? Bevy Virtual is just like Google Meet, or I would say an upgrade to Google Meet. Okay. So this is an event platform, virtual event platform, which enables us to attend, like have 2000 plus or 5000 plus even attendees. Okay. So if we are collaborating with another GDSC, or we are having an event where many people would be participating, we could have it in Bevy Virtual instead of a Zoom meeting. Okay, or instead of a Google Meet. So here there will be host, and there will be like our chat system would be there, and everything that you can expect, like quiz and anything. Okay, so everything is there in Bevy Virtual, and this is only provided to like GDSC team members and to conduct their events. So there will be automated emails and these things. As you RSVP for an event, there will be an automated event email to you that you have RSVP to that event, and you can cancel or reschedule your like these things. Then managing chapter team permission. So team like you all the core team members who would be becoming would be there in the our GDSC page, and then there will be some volunteers and members as well. We would be including in our page as well. Okay, so you would also be a part of the page, and then we can manage your permissions and everything. Then customizing forms, if you need any forms or feedbacks you can have from attendees, you can have it with the GDSC these things. Okay. Okay, then there is okay, these things, branding guides. I will talk about like these things are just like whatever you want, like WhatsApp, like you want an Instagram post, or you want a Facebook post, LinkedIn post. So these all things are made from Google side as well. There are templates for them, and we can just use those templates and have these things ready. So event platform, I have just talked about the event platform just now. So this is our platform, and here events can be conducted. Then there is timeline. Okay. So now the important part here is GDSC comes with there's for our GDSC club to be a successful one, we need to conduct 5 events here in total. Okay, 5 events we need to conduct, and for our whole tenure from this like August to next May or June. Okay. And these events would be like they could vary from any technology out there, from like Flutter, mobile development, anything and everything. And then there will be some certain events like Android week will be there and Flutter week would be there, and Google Cloud week will be there. So these things would be scheduled as per the Google's timing that they have implemented. Okay, so these campaigns would be told to us prior, and then we would be conducting those campaigns. Okay. Then there's one more thing. Okay. You would have checked out this video when I was playing. There was a thing called a solution challenge. I don't know if you have seen this or not, or you know this from the past or not. But every year, GDSC as a community conducts the solution challenge with United Nations. So they provide some topics out there for all the GDSCs to work on with their students. Okay, it's not that only our core team would work for these topics. You all guys could also work. Okay, anyone who is interested in solution challenge could work around the problem. We need to find a solution to the problem they have given, along with in collaboration with United Nations, they would have given some problem. So we need to find a solution and we need to implement that solution in a respective time, like just like a hackathon. Okay, so this is solution challenge by Google Developer Student Clubs. Okay, now this year we have 10 finalists. Okay, and 3 are from India. Okay, so 3 finalists in the solution challenge are from India, and I hope you all could be one. Okay, so this after this year's solution challenge, there will be another solution challenge which we will be releasing, and I would be rolling out the emails as well for that particular solution challenge. And you would I will encourage you all to participate in the solution challenge and come up with a solution. Okay, so yeah, and you could check out the projects they have built in the past solution challenge, those 10 teams I was talking about. So they are having one event, if I am not wrong, they are having one event to this one, 2021 solution challenge demo day. Okay, see you there. So I have just RSVP this event. You all could also RSVP this event. I will just share this link. So what this event is all about. So this event is actually this event is all the solutions, okay, that they have taken, all the 10 solutions. Okay, they will be demoing their projects on that day, on that particular day, and then judges will be thinking out or judging with those projects, and after some time they will be announcing the results. Okay, first, second, third positions. So you could just check out those 10 projects and you could see how they have built or implemented those projects. That would be great start for you all to visualize what is solution challenge. Okay, so yeah, just check out those things. And yeah, apart from solution challenge, branding guide, platform timeline, then sessions. Okay, sessions and workshops, as I told you. So since this is a Google Developer Student Club, so we mainly focus on Google products, but we are not Google has I have asked them if we can have another other sessions as well. So they said yes, we could have other sessions as well. Just the thing is that we should be more focused towards the Google product session, just like Android or Assistant or Action on Google or Cloud, Google Cloud or Firebase or Flutter or ML TensorFlow. Okay, so yeah, but it's completely our wish to have other sessions as well and workshops as well. So yeah, that's it from session side. Most of the things I think I have covered. So one second. So yeah, so congratulations everyone for we have successfully have Google Developer Student Club in our college in IIIT Kottayam. So now it's time to start this adventure. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask now. Okay.
Yeah, can you tell more about sourcing sponsorships?
Okay.
Option?
Yeah. So sponsorship section, I have from GDSC NIT Jalandhar, I was their lead. I was talking about how like they have their GDSC prior to us. Okay, they have their GDSC from like 2 years back. Okay, so have been contacting them for like what all like how to approach for sponsors and others things. So they said that GDSC name tag is more important for sponsors than other things. And whenever you just approach for sponsors or sponsorship for a company, okay, we will just have to show them the branding guides or the branding that you would provide them. Just like I said, I told to you that whenever you create an event, okay, you can attach sponsors to it. Okay, so these branding guides are more than enough for any sponsors to get, and they are getting like 15K or 20K sponsors from coding ninjas and other things, code chef and other things. So yeah, that's how GDSC name works for sponsors and not for yeah, one more thing, for workshops, the speakers. Okay, we could approach for Google developers directly. Okay, there is one more thing. There are Google developers student like experts. Okay, I don't know if you guys know that, but there are Google developers experts in these areas, in the fields I have just shown you: Android, Cloud, Firebase, Flutter. Okay, there are some experts allotted from all over India. Okay, now we can approach to those experts on behalf of GDSC community out there. Okay, and they would be glad to conduct a session or a speaking session or a workshop with us for these sessions. Okay, like from Android to Flutter, anything. Okay, so these things are with GDSC, associated with GDSC. So these Google developer experts would come only with because of GDSC in our college. Okay, and then sponsorship, that name of GDSC and the sponsorship image on our events would do would encourage them to invest in us. Yeah. So yeah, any more questions? I hope I answered your question, Prashant. Prashant. Okay. So yeah, if any more, and so GDSC, like GDSC core team member is also bragging right for you all, like if anyone who becomes it. So yeah, please be put out in the form and response, put out a response, your response on your form. And you would have also noticed that those things that we are asking in the form is not associated with only technical side. Okay, there are social media handling and other things as well, and networking and grabbing sponsorship as well. So we are watching towards more outreaching people rather than more nerdy people. Okay, to be right. Okay, so don't get me wrong, but yeah, so more outreaching people. Yeah. Who would encourage their whole community to uh, get educated and then move on with their own projects. Okay, and collaborate with other GDS for their projects. Yep, and apart from that, last year we had GDSC Wow. Okay, this was a all India hackathon. Okay, which grabbed the largest number of participation of an Indian hackathon. So this was the collaboration of all the 162, I think so, GDSCs all over India. Okay, so there today on date we have 300 plus GDSCs all over India. Okay, now this year we will also be conducting something like this, like GDSC Wow or something like that, in collaboration with other GDSCs. Okay, so would be happy to contribute, and then would be releasing those things soon as well. Yeah. Yep. So if any of you have any questions, feel free to ask. Yeah, and so in the link tree, I have attached all the social media links: Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram. So yeah, shamelessly do follow those those links. Okay, out there. So and if anyone has any questions, you all could approach me anytime. I'm open in WhatsApp, in Discord as well. So yeah. And like I'll be releasing officially releasing those forms today. I've just added it in LinkedIn link tree for now, and would be releasing it today with an official email. So yeah, any of your friends do not know, so they will know by the email as well. And I would be sharing this recording as well. Oh, okay. Instagram isn't working. Yeah. Okay. And one more thing to note down, that our email ID, um, for now, CGSET has provided us GSTC email ID. Okay. So please, uh, yeah, GSTC at the rate. So I have to correct it to GDSC and would take a while, but for now, this is it. Like this is what we have for now.